Dirt Fishman here, y'all, with another video right here. My son y'all wanted to say hey.
Hey.
Alright, y'all, let's turn this thing here around and open up some cars right here. Alright. Up first, y'all, is this year's coop clip.
I mean keys.
Yeah, it's a keychain.
Keychain car.
Yep.
Why would I open it up?
Huh?
Why would I open it up?
People can see it, baby.
Why put it on the tongue?
Because people want to see it. Alright, y'all, up next is going to be the Baja Hauler 50th edition.
That was a round noise.
Yes, it was, wasn't it? Uh-oh, it wants to roll off. There we go. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be a Matchbox Jeep Wrangler Super Lift.
See my finger in there.
It's got a piece of plastic in it, I think, on it, baby.
It does.
That's why it's going to be hard.
It does. Now I pop it right out.
Alright, you got it.
It's going right out.
Yeah.
It's right there. That's amazing. What opens? But this back open?
No, baby. Alright, y'all, up next is the McLaren 720 Spider from Matchbox. Here you go, baby.
I put
Uh-oh, it's going to roll off. Check that out.
It drove right out.
Yes, it did. Can you get down, baby? Alright, you did it. Alright. Well, got to take that one off.
Why?
It rolled off on its own. Alright, up next, y'all, is going to be the Citroen Aeon, one of them foreign, I think it's an electric car.
It is. Electric car. Why in a back Matchbox?
It's an ugly little car.
What is?
Yes. Looks like a daggum square cube. Check that little joker out, y'all.
It's a cute little car.
Yeah. Up next is going to be the Muscle Mania Chevelle SS Express.
Why? Came right on? Came
Yes,
right
it did.
on
It came right on out, didn't it?
And this is a cute one.
Yeah.
Cute one. It looks like none, but
Mm-hmm.
it also looks like an ice cube.
Yeah. Up next, y'all, is going to be the 84 Mustang. This will be the blue one, which would have been the super for this case here, but this is the regular. Another Muscle Mania.
But right there, it looked kind of purple, and it is purple.
Yeah.
You thought it was blue, but it's purple.
It's purple. It is. You're right.
You know, I like this. But what's that for?
Check that one out, y'all.
But what's that for?
It comes. I think that comes. It opens up.
It does.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the time at Taxi. Says Need for Speed No Limits car. You gonna open it up?
Yes. But you thought it
Check
didn't
this one
open
out,
up.
y'all.
You thought that didn't open up, did you?
I didn't know it opened up until then. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Hot Wheels Arch car of the '67 Mustang Coupe. Here, baby.
Ooh, that's one of my favorite. The top of it is white.
Yeah.
Man, Darren.
Yeah, man down.
Here's a man down, y'all.
Yeah. Uh-oh, baby. Check that out now, y'all. It's a weird looking car.
Why?
Just this because it's an arts car.
What are you doing? It's a video. What are you doing? It's a video still on.
Uh-huh. Get some more cars.
Why?
Cars. Make the video. I like to get a certain time. All right, Chet. Up next is the Nissan R390 GT1 in blue.
I love that one.
Right here.
This one's my
Open it up.
favorite. This one's my favorite.
Open it up. Nissans are your favorite? You like Nissans?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Looks like it popped a wheelie.
Like it popped the Willie.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. Up next is gonna be a funny car, y'all. It is the big banana car. I got to help you out on these. These matchboxes are hard. There you go.
What is a matchbox?
Open it up.
Oh, that hole ain't big enough.
Coco's got a piece of plastic underneath it, baby. There you go. Yeah.
It does it. Man down.
Check this funny car out, y'all. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Matchbox Lamborghini police car.
But we might come up with some more up over there.
In other videos, baby. In other videos.
This might be my favorite. The chicken car.
Oh, police Lamborghini, y'all. All right, y'all. That's going to be it for this little video right here. We're going to turn this thing around and say our goodbyes to y'all. Ciao, baby. All right, let's get in there. All right, y'all. This is going to be it. Dirt Fisherman out.
Peace out.